Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. This is Ram, UR15CS 308. Here I am going to explain about the configuration of DNS and HTTP server. So for that purpose, what I did, I first I have taken two server, that is and the HTTP server. So for making the configuration, I have taken three WAN and two LAN. So for that, and I have assigned the IP addresses. You can see that is belongs to fast Ethernet for this PC node, and to show you the IP address what I have assigned. As per the given IP address, I have assigned 172.116.1.1, and for this router that is connected with the two serial interface and one fast Ethernet. So you can see the IP address I have assigned, that is 172.16.1.126. That is for the fast Ethernet interface, and for the serial interface that is 192.168.1.1 and 10 and for 30 serial interface the IP addresses is 10.0.0.1. IP addresses you can see here in the configuration I have taken, and for this router there is it is linked with one fast Ethernet interface and two serial interface, and for that I have assigned the IP addresses. You can see that is 11.0.0.254, and serial for the serial interface I have assigned 192.168.1.2, and for serial interface serial 30 I have assigned 192.168.2.1 IP address, and for router 2 in the same way it is connected with two serial interface and one fast Ethernet. So I have assigned the addresses, and for the server you can see HTTP is on. Okay, HTTP server. uh, this is the DNS server. Here I have give to the URL to this server, and for the configuration of this router you can see here I have assigned to the configuration of the router. You can see now assign addresses for this DNS server, HTTP server, and ensure that all end users are aware of that DNS IP. So whatever I have put the DNS IP here 11.0 11.0.0.1, and here that is 172.16.1.254, and the DNS server. So give all the DNS IP to all the end users here. So it is now update all the URL IP table in the DNS type and a record with the IP of the HTTP server. And, so here I will simulate the message from here. Okay. And the configuration mode. And I will capture and forward. So it is going to the route through router 0 through router 1, and it's sending back to the HTTP server, DNS server, and it is coming back to router 1, router 0, and it is getting the packet here correctly. So this was the configuration of HTTP server and DNS server. Thank you very much.